We have seen that the blend tool in Cryoparametric 3.0 can generate a solid by three different methods: parallel, rotational, and general. In the last three tutorials, we have also seen how Creo 3.0 uses parallel blend to generate solids along with blend vertex and start point options. In this part of the presentation, let us study the rotational blend tool. In rotational blend, the sections are placed on planes which are rotated along a single common axis. A maximum angle permitted between the two sections is 120 degrees. Let's exercise a tutorial to operate rotational blend in Cryoparametric 3.0. The solid shown in the tutorial comprises of four sections at an angle of 30 degrees about the y-axis. The first section is a square of 255 units side at a horizontal distance of 250 units from the 00 reference point. The second section is a rectangle of 300 by 125 units at a horizontal distance of 150 units and vertical distance of 50 units from the 00 reference point. Angle between the section 1 and section 2 being 30 degrees. Similarly, the third section is a rectangle of 400 by 75 units at a horizontal distance of 100 and vertical distance of 75 from 00 reference point. Angle between section 2 and 3 is also 30 degrees. The fourth section is a rectangle of 500 by 25 units at a horizontal distance of 90 units and vertical distance of 105 units from the 00 reference point. Again, angle between section 3 and 4 being 30 degrees. Let's exercise this in Creo 3.0. In the Shapes tab, select the Rotational Blend tool. In the Sections tab, select the Define button to select the sketching plane for the first section. As we have already seen, the first section is a square of 254 units side. The horizontal distance of the square from the 00 reference point is also 254 units. The side of the square is also 255 units. Press the OK button. In the Sections tab, tab, select the axis of revolution for the blend tool, which is the y-axis of the coordinate system. Then insert the second section. Input or edit the value of the angle of the second section from the first section, which is 30 degrees in our case. Again, sketch the second section, which is a rectangle of 300 by 125 units, which can be seen from the drawing. 125, 300. Then the vertical distance of the rectangle is 50, horizontal distance is 150. Again, press the OK button. Again, press the OK button. The preview shows the solid generated. Again, in the Sections tab, insert the third section. Input or edit the value of the angle of the third section from the second section, which is 30 degrees. Again, draw the third section, which is a rectangle of 400 by 75 units, which is 400 by 75 units. The horizontal distance 75, 400. The horizontal distance from 00 being 100 and vertical distance from the 00 point being 75. Finalize the section. Press the OK button. Press the Ctrl D button from the keyboard. The solid generated is a rotational blend of three sections. Again, insert the fourth section. specify an angle value of 30 degrees of section 4 from section 3. Again, as specified earlier, section 4 is a rectangle of 500 by 25 units. Modify the dimensions accordingly and finalize your sketch. Modify the dimensions, press the OK button, press Ctrl D from the keyboard so that you have the final solid which is a rotational blend of 4 sections, Then in the options tab you can use the straight option which joins the sections by straight lines. The smooth option joins the section by a smooth curve. The connect end and start sections makes a complete revolved solid out of the 4 sections as seen on the screen. Then if you press the button off, only the start and end sections will be joined to create a solid.